Good morning, teacher. My name is Steve Berrio Alarcón. I am studying civil engineering at the Continental University in Cusco. Today, I am going to talk about the globalization and interculturality. Right. Globalization and interculturality in civil engineering. Globalization and interculturality are essential topics in modern civil engineering. In regions like Cusco, this process influences how the design will and connect all communities. As future civil engineering, we face the challenge of combining global technology with local culture and traditional to create sustainable and inclusive infrastructure. Globalization in civil engineering in Cusco. Cusco is city that mixes history, culture, and modern development. Globalization allowing engineers to use the new construction technologies such as building information, modeling, being geotechnical drones, and sustainable concrete that meet international standards. Uh, Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: access to advanced technologies and engineering software. Opportunity to collaborate with national and foreign professionals. Application of global standards for safety and quality. And disadvantage: depends on imported materials that increase project costs. Risk of ignoring traditional Andean construction knowledge. En- Environmental challenge due to rapid urbanization. Interculturality in civil engineering in Cusco. Cusco is one of the most intercultural regions of Peru. Here, engineers often work with local communities from the highlands and rural areas. Interculturality teaches used to listen and respect traditional knowledge such as terrace construction, stone walls, and water management systems used since Inca times. Uh, Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage is strengthens communication between engineers and local populations, promotes respect for cultural diversity and in project development, improves the social assets and long-term success of public works. Disadvantage: interculturality is positive, but it can also bring some difficulties. Sometimes there are communication problems between engineers and local workers. People might have different ways of working on things. Uh, in conclusion, globalization and interculturality are shaping the future of civil engineering in Cusco. By using international technology and respecting Orandan culture, engineers can create projects that improve people's lives without losing cultural identity. That's all, teacher.